We also have real-life preserved life cycle of insects and plants here in this area. So once again, para po sa ating Vivariums, bawal po natin i-open ang ating mga variants of butterflies. So looking forward, you can see that all insects. You can use the 8 microscopes where you can see the different plants and the displays in your shots.
No?
Are also plants and roots.